everybody, I am back with another lace wig review. Don't mind Cody in the background. This is a wig that I've wanted ever since I saw it. I was so excited about it because it looks so natural, and there's only a couple of reviews on it, so I thought I'd share it with you. This is just the unboxing. I got it today. It's called Perfect Hairline by Outre, and it's the name Iba, and it's in the color number 2. And as you can see in this picture right here, that it's actually braided at the top, so it's very different. And I haven't opened it up yet, so I just thought I would open it up on camera. Let me show you the corner of the box. Okay, and here's the back. This explains about the hairline again, and I'm really excited about this. This wig is actually pretty expensive. It's online anywhere from $54, $56 at the cheapest, all the way to $80, and that's a lot for a synthetic wig. But I was excited to get it because I thought it looked so natural, and so I'd share it with you. So this is kind of strange. It doesn't have any plastic over this box. It just opens it up. Okay, and you can actually feel the hair. It's in netting. Let me show you. Okay, let me cut this off. Okay, here's the cards that come with it. Basically tells you the lace front part is 13 by 6, and it gives you washing instructions. And here's the back of it. Okay, it comes with another card too. I guess in case you throw the box away, you might want to still keep this so you remember which one you bought. Okay, so let me take this out. So you can see it's like every other wig. This box is pretty sturdy though. Okay, here it is in the netting. You can see it's pretty long. I'd say this is probably 24 inches. And smells like normal synthetic hair, nothing funky, feels soft. It doesn't have that really shiny sheen that looks like plastic doll hair, but it does have a little bit of sheen, and I think it looks natural. It's pretty. Okay, so here's the center. Take out the paper and this little cushion, and let's look at the inside. This is that 13 by 6, I believe they said, for parting space and where the netting is. And as you can see here, just looks like a regular wig, and it has, oh, this is nice, it has the elastic band. You don't have to sew this on yourself. So this is really nice. Now I don't know if it's short enough. You might have to taper it to make it tight enough for your head, but at least it's here. It has a comb right here and a comb on the side. But let's take a look. Here's the inside of the top of the wig. Okay, let's turn it over. Ooh, this looks really good. Look at that. Isn't that cute? The one braid at the top, the 2 on the side, and it looks so good. And what I'm going to do too is put some powder foundation on the inside, and then I'll cut the lace off. But this is what it looks like out of the box. Doesn't, oh, that looks so good. This looks so worth the money. So, okay. So this is the unboxing, and then I'll do another video once I cut the lace and put it on, so you'll see what it looks like on. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them below, and as always, please like and subscribe. And click that little bell button as well. Okay, take care.